Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is a pretty cool design. The lines go from thick to thin and back to thick around, and these are two different variations of like a flat bottom and a curved bottom. We're going to reproduce this one, but you could reproduce either one of them. We are going to take a star, a six-sided star. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go with a six-sided star. Let me move these out of the way so we can put the star in the center of the page. I'm going to draw a six-sided star. I'm going to hit P. That doesn't really matter. I get so used to hitting P. And you can see what I just did there. I just grabbed just one of the layers. But I want to round that off. So I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, Corners. And you can see it's already done 0.3. Let's make it 0.5. And that's pretty good. I want to go with that. And because it's in the center, well, that doesn't matter when you're rotating it. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And I'm going to rotate it just a little bit. And then I'm going to Control D again as many times as you want, or as little times as you want. And that's what you get. But the lines are all the same thickness. So to make this work, and this is pretty important, you've got to change that to something other than a hairline to make this work. When you go to your pen tool, which is right here, and right here is a design or a window, and you could flip this thing around and get totally different looks. You know, there's what the original was. Now I'm just squeezing it in. That's probably too thin. But then you can rotate it at different angles and get different thicknesses of line. It's kind of hard to control with one that you're trying to watch. There you go. So we got not quite as thin as I maybe did on the other one. But, you know, if you see, that's quite thick. There's quite thin, I mean really thin. And it gets thicker through the curve because I've got it straight up and down. Let's do it this way. And now it's well, it's funny because that looks the same, but on the other part, it's thinner. So maybe you have to have it kind of at an angle to make them all like that. And then hit OK, and they're all like that. So it's a pretty cool design. I mean, if you did it, let's do this, make it really stand out. I don't ever use black. Let's use black. Let's turn it to the back of page. And let's take our lines and make them white and just see what happens. I mean, that you can really tell the thickness and the thinness of the line. And you could make each individual, different colors. I've got all white lines. Anyway, just playing around, pretty neat design. I think it would print pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.